morning, Dale. I've been asked several times about removing a brick to replace with a new. You may have some frost damage, you may have a brick that is split, and obviously it's key to get these replaced as quickly as possible, otherwise you're going to have long-term damage to your building. So it's actually a really easy thing to do, and I'm going to demonstrate how I do it, and it has quite little impact, if any, on the bricks around the rest of the wall. So all you need is your trusty old hammer drill. Now I'm using my old drill for this one because it is I will have to use the chisel function for a little bit, but we'll see, or we'll show you even how we go about this. So watch on. So you can see what I'm going to be doing. I will just take one of these bricks out to show you, but long term what I'm actually going to do today is take out the 3 layers down here. You can see how damaged this is, and there's actually a little bit of water ingress into the building, so I'm going to be taking out, there's actually 1 layer down here, so I'm going to take out this layer, and this layer. Now what I'm going to do between, well, I'm actually replacing the first 2 layers, so this one and this one, with engineering bricks. So what we're going to have, there will obviously be a colour difference, but I'm going to run those 2 completely in engineering bricks, and then I'm going to replace the third one, which I've actually sort of started to do here, in what they call the Aussie white bricks. But I'm actually going to put a DPC in here. Obviously I can only do it in bits and pieces, but long term it's going to be so much better for the building. So I'm going to set the camera up, and then we'll just show you how to take this 1 brick out. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to remove this brick here, because I want to start at this far end and work back down the wall. I'm going to take out 2.5, 3 foot sections after this. So what you're going to need is obviously your hammer drill, which we discussed. I've got lots of different sizes of drills, and what we're going to do is basically drill round the brick. Okay, now you've got to judge the size of the mortar joint as to what size drill that you use. I've decided to use an 8mm drill. If for any reason I need a bigger drill, I've got a 12, can't find the 10, which would actually be pretty perfect. I know that this, having worked on it previously, that this will, the mortar comes away quite easy. This building is over 100 years, so I'm thinking we're going to start with the 8mm, and what we're going to do is actually drill round the whole brick, lots and lots of series of little holes, and then I'm probably just going to use a chisel, still on the hammer drill, just break the middle, and that will then remove this. So let's crack on with this. Okay, so that's it, mainly drilled around. So that should stop any damage to the surrounding bricks. In this case, to me, it doesn't matter because I'm going to go on and take the whole layer out. So we've separated it mainly from this fascia. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chisel out a small section. Now every brick that I've removed individually can be easy, can be difficult. I expected this one to be slightly easier than it is. So I'm going to break the brick and we'll just go about removing it. There you go, one brick out. What I then do is normally, obviously you need to get it off completely from here, which I will have to do. I thought I was taking out this layer as well, but I'm not. So you have to remove it all from the underside, the mortar. I think we're down to the brick there, yeah we are. And then what I'd normally do is just take out, probably with the grinder, a little bit of the mortar here, 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 here and here, and then what you can do is just blend the new mortar in. And it's actually usually, when I do it, it's very difficult to see where the new bricks have gone if you're able to match the bricks to the existing. In this case I won't be able to match them because they're going to look a lot different, which is why I'm making a feature of it and not trying to hide that that they are actually the same brick. But anyway, hopefully that's helped, and it is actually a really easy process.